Imagine this. Right now, you are standing on Earth, completely still. At least, that's what it feels like. But in reality, you are moving at nearly 1,670 kilometers per hour, every second, every day, because Earth never stops rotating. But what if, for just 5 seconds, Earth suddenly stopped? No warning, no slowing down, no countdown, just stop. Would we notice? Would anything happen? Or would civilization end before those 5 seconds were over? Scientists have asked similar questions before, and the answers are far more terrifying than most people imagine. Because Earth stopping doesn't mean everything else stops, and that changes everything. Here's the first terrifying detail. Even if Earth stopped, the atmosphere, the oceans, and you would still keep moving. Physics calls this inertia. Objects in motion stay in motion, which means if Earth stopped instantly, everything not attached deeply underground would continue flying eastward at hundreds of kilometers per hour. Buildings, cars, or trees, people, entire cities. Imagine standing outside and suddenly being hit by hurricane-force winds stronger than anything ever recorded. Windows explode. Roads become rivers of debris. Air itself becomes a weapon. And all of this starts in less than 1 second. But here's the twist. This is only the beginning. Earth's atmosphere rotates together with the planet. When the surface stops, the air doesn't. Scientists estimate global winds could become unimaginably violent. Entire weather systems would collapse. Planes in the sky would instantly lose predictable airflow. Ocean waves would rise. Dust and debris would darken the atmosphere. And for a moment, Earth would look less like our home and more like an alien world. But strangely, the biggest danger might not be the wind. It might be the oceans. Think about this. The oceans are moving with Earth. If the planet suddenly stopped, water would not. Gigantic walls of water, possibly thousands of meters high, could move across continents. Coastal cities, gone. Entire regions, rewritten. Places humans built for thousands of years could disappear in minutes. And scientists still study how chaotic such movement would become. Because no real event has ever tested this. This isn't just a disaster. This becomes planetary reset. But after 5 seconds, something even stranger happens. Because Earth starts moving again. And that may be worse. 5 seconds pass, Earth rotates again. Sounds good, right? Not exactly. Everything that survived now experiences a second violent shift, another wave, another atmospheric surge, another redistribution of energy, like hitting brakes, then instantly accelerating. Structures weakened moments earlier begin collapsing. Communication networks fail, power grids break, satellites struggle, human civilization enters confusion. But what if Earth didn't stop instantly? What if it slowed down? That scenario might be even more terrifying.